2025, how to become the best version of yourself in 2025. My name is Stefan. Welcome to our series. We are currently in our series of 2025 How to AI. AI is taking over the world, and it's exciting, and it's a lot of people are nervous, and I'm a beginner, and join us on this journey of understanding the basics of AI. And as we go through the series, we'll learn together and we'll grow. We're currently on part 8, so let's just get right into it, into emerging AI trends. AI research continues to evolve at an accelerated pace, with several key trends shaping the future. Let's look at general AI development. Efforts are increasing towards artificial general intelligence, AGI, which aims to replicate human-like reasoning and problem solving. AI in healthcare. Enhanced diagnostic tools, robotic surgeries, personalized medicine driven by AI are expected to revolutionize patient care. Explainable AI, or XAI. There's a growing emphasis on making AI decisions more transparent and interpretable to enhance trust and regulatory compliance. AI and quantum computing. The intersection of AI and quantum computing could significantly improve computational power for complex problem solving. Ethical and regulatory advancements. With AI's rapid adoption, a new ethical guidelines and regulations are emerging to ensure responsible AI use. Role of AI in automation and jobs. AI is transforming the workplace by automating tasks, enhancing productivity, and creating new job opportunities. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI is increasingly handling mundane tasks in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. AI augmented workforces. Rather than replacing human jobs, AI is assisting professionals in fields like finance, law, and healthcare to make more informed decisions. Emerging job roles. AI is creating a demand for new careers such as AI ethics consultants, machine learning engineers, and data scientists. Reskilling and adaptation. Employees and businesses must embrace continuous learning to remain competitive in an AI-driven economy. This is very important. This is why I'm doing this course, so that I can learn, upskill myself, understand what is AI, how is it going to affect careers, how do I utilize it to become stronger and better, more valuable for my employer, more valuable for my own business. So it's very important that we have to stay updated in AI. And how do we do that? Keeping up with AI advancements requires ongoing learning and engagement with industry resources. Online courses and certifications. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, edX offer AI machine learning courses. You can go to my link. There's a lot of free courses / free resources. There's a content creator, a business solo entrepreneur called Sabrina Ramanoff that offers free education from the basics right through. You can just go to the link and follow it. You don't have to sign up for anything. AI research papers and journals. Reading publications such as ARXIV, ORCZIF, MIT Technology Review, IEEE AI Transactions can provide insights into cutting-edge developments. AI conferences and webinars. Events like NeurIPS, ICML, AI Expo allow professionals to network and learn from industry leaders. Follow people on social media that's doing AI. Get involved, get engaged, ask questions, and start understanding how it's going to affect you. Started with AI learning and careers. Now, for those looking to enter the AI field, the following steps is a useful roadmap. You got to learn the fundamentals. You got to gain proficiency in programming languages like Python, understand the key concepts such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. You got to build a strong mathematical foundation. You got to have knowledge of linear algebra, calculus, and probability is essential for understanding AI algorithms. Working on AI projects. Hands-on experience through projects and participating in Kaggle competitions, enhancing your practical skills. If you want to pursue advanced education, consider AI-specific certifications, degrees or boot camps to deepen your expertise. You've got to gain industry expertise by internships, freelance AI projects, contributing to open source AI initiatives. It can also help build your credibility. You've got to stay adaptable and network. AI is evolving rapidly. Continuous learning and networking with professionals in the field are key to success. The future of AI holds immense potential. And for those who stay ahead of the trends, for those who adapt and continuously enhance their skills, will be the people that are well positioned in this dynamic industry. My name is Stefan. Welcome to this How to AI series. I'm just a beginner, still learning. But get yourself involved, get yourself in the mix. Go to my link. There's a couple of resources you can utilize. Engage, ask questions, connect with people on social media that are doing this. I'm also constantly learning from other people. And let's together become the best version of yourself. Go listen to my podcast. Also, all this information is on the podcast series as well. And together we will become stronger. You are worth it, and don't forget that.